Guys, welcome to another cleaning video, and we are going to start with my living area. And it's not all that dirty, it's not all that bad, but what I want to do is to change the theme color of this living area, and it have come to a point where I feel bored with everything in this area. Although I thought of changing the color of this couch, but the price it's almost the same as buying another couch, but I'll have to think about that.
To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away the weight of you of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away the weight of you of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no
Now to my bedroom, I'm starting by removing all the beddings, including the blankets, to clean and wipe the side bed tables and also clean the mirrors in this room.
Until I find that I'm invincible, nobody gon' bring me down.
Invincible.
Feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much.
Now this is the place that I have been ignoring most of the time, and this is where I put all my beauty product and also showering product. And this place look very bad, and I want to declutter, clean and organize it. But although I don't have the organizers containers, all acrylic organizers, because placing them like this, the place always look disorganized. But I'll have to work on that, guys.
Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
You won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself off from the roof, 'cause you fucking love it when I fade. 'Cause you won't look after my wounds.
area that I have set aside as a nursery in master bedroom. The area have worked for me because nimelelea 2 of my kids here, and I want to clean everything including the baby coat bumpers, but I'm thinking of transferring her to the other room because she has outgrown and she is now ready to join other girls.
I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. Carry you home. I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. Carry you home. I will carry you
I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. Carry you home.
All these are the piled laundry that I have, and the first thing I want to do is to sort them out. And I have 2 blankets that I need to clean, and I will have to start with the blanket, of course. And in the red basins, that is where I'm putting the white towels and the bed sheet, because I want to soak them separately with the inner garments. And everything that I have removed in my baby coats, I'll have to hard wash them.
I will carry you home. I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine.
These are the white towels and bed sheet that I'm going to soak with jik and water, and now after 1 hour I'll put them in the washing machine to be cleaned.
Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
These are my hubby shoes that I need to wipe them. I don't want to wash them because they are not all that dirty. The next day in the morning before I leave for work, I want to return everything here, and this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching until this point. I don't take it for granted, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye, let's meet in the next one.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it